what exactly is going to happen in Chant Mumbai, Shant Mumbai on 1st February 2026 at DKC. We are commemorating the 75th year of the Chinmay movement, and it is being celebrated as Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav. 108 Samashti Shri Hanuman Chalisa Havan will be performed that day. The program begins beautifully with a short Purva Puja where Hanumanji's puja will be done with 16 Upcharas. There will be Ashirvachan by Puja Guruji Swami Tejomayanandji, Puja Swami Swarupanandji, who is our global head of Chinmay Mission, Swami Advayanandji, myself, Swami Swatmananda. We will all be there. We will have satsang. We will also listen to Puja Gurudev, Swami Chinmayanandji, in various languages. You must have heard Puja Gurudev only in English so far. Now, with the help of AI, we will be able to listen to Puja Gurudev in different languages. There will be an inspiring film on the Chinmay movement's impact in the last 75 years. This will be followed by the Hanuman Chalisa Havan in minimum 108 Havan Kunds. There can be more also. You can register as an individual and sit at a Havan Kund and perform the Havan while Hanuman Chalisa is being chanted. You can also book a whole Havan Kund for your family or your company or your group and sit together and do the Havan. If you do not want to do the Havan, you can join us as Chinmay Geet Yajman and just come together to chant and experience the power of Hanuman Chalisa. With every Hanuman Chalisa, there will be 18 ahutis for those who are doing the Havan. 2 ahutis for the 2 dohas in the beginning. Then every 4 chaupais we will offer 1 ahuti, so there will be 10 such ahutis. For the last doha, there will be 1 more ahuti. So this makes 13 ahutis, and we will also be offering ahutis for Jai Jaikars. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai. And then we will offer the Mool Mantra of Hanumanji. Om Namo Bhagavate Anjaneyaya Mahabalaya Hanumate Swaha Idam Namama. This is the 18th ahuti. So, even if you register for 1 Hanuman Chalisa, you can offer 18 ahutis. You are welcome to register for 1 time, 7 times or 21 times. There will also be many celebrity singers who will join us in the chanting of Hanuman Chalisa, and all of us can together chant Hanuman Chalisa. At the end of the Havan, there will also be Aarti. Hanumanji's Aarti will be done. There will be Ram Parivar, Shiv Parivar, Guru Parampara. In different altars, Aartis will happen at all these altars. After the Aarti, Prasad will be given to everybody. Annadan will be done. There will also be a brilliant exhibition on Hanumanji depicting his stories, his life, his achievements, his devotion. One of the most amazing features of the Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav will be the Chinmay Amrit Yatra, a bus which has been redesigned, and you can take a walk through it to understand the life, vision and work of Puja Gurudev, to see unique artifacts that Puja Gurudev had used, and also understand the impact of his work. All this and more is going to be there in Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav. Join us in this grand spiritual experience where there is chanting, where there is a Havan, where there are satsangs, where there are aartis, where there are exhibitions, where there is technology and so much more. Come with your family, come with your friends and introduce as many people as you can to experience the greatness, the glory of Hanumanji, and to benefit from the life, work and vision of Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandji. I am looking forward to meeting each and every one of you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Gurudev.